Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Well, the reveal is finally here. I ended up having to contact eBay, tell them they sent me the wrong belt. It's 2 inches too long. Not going to cut it. So I went to Lowe's. Just got back not too long ago. Well, Lowe's didn't have the belt. I don't understand why you sell a mower and not the belt. It don't make any sense. I ended up going Tractor Supply. I knew the belt was a 1/2 inch thick by 79 inches long. I found a belt that size, and believe it or not, it was actually a whole lot cheaper than what Lowe's would have sold for, even with my discount. So, I'm going to take you around the mower, and I'm going to show you what it looks like now. You see, it's a big difference than what it was before. I didn't touch the wheels. I did the deck. The fender didn't turn out like I hoped, but it was a different kind, well, not a different kind. It was a paint from a different Tractor Supply. And you can see how shiny it is. Blades are sharpened. I got 2 bolts holding the triangle on. I think it turned out pretty good. I am trying to straighten out that hood a little bit to get it to where it fits right. So, I know it runs pretty good. So what I need to see is how well this thing's going to mow. Alright, I'm not sure if the deck is still going to make that ungodly sound. I don't really know. It sounds normal. Not exactly sure what had happened, but the deck actually sounds like it's supposed to. Mary's going to be happy. The whole neighborhood's going to be happy because it's not going to sound like a bunch of big ass marbles running around in a steel drum. So the only thing that it really did was change the belt. The belt was all tore up. There's nothing out of balance on it. Everything is back together the way I took it apart. But anyways, that's it for this video. Looks like she's getting it back this week. You have an awesome day. God bless.